Introducing the stunning 2024 Audi Q2 30 Tfsi 110HP S-Line in sleek black. This four-door Estatejeep boasts a powerful 1-liter petrol engine with manual transmission, perfect for your daily drive. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The luxurious interior includes a load cover parcel shelf and luxury trim. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Audi. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information.